Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, returning to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your right hand across your body to your left shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Stay connected to your breath as you release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center, exploring a seated cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, lift through your heart, opening your arms wide. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.